guys, long time no see. We're currently at Armstrong right now, just for soil. Again, just for soil. But let's see how long this lasts. This is the Calathea section over here, I'm assuming. But again, just here for soil. Just here for soil. Eye on the prize. Let's see. This is more like fertilizer. Plants. Nope. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. Eye on the prize. Look at this big yucca plant. Eye on the prize, so gotta stay focused. That's good. Cactus and succulent. Palm, tropical, and citrus. All types of indoor flowering plants. Edibles. Charcoal. That's pretty cool. For that extra odors and stuff, extra oomph. Worm castings. Freaking disgusting. Apparently it works though. Alright, what the hell? They don't have any soil? Well, I guess we gotta look at the plants now. Let's see what they got. Orchids. The mom plants. Mother's Day is coming up. Leaf shine. Alright guys, well, that was a fail. They didn't have any good soil at least. They had a lot of stuff for like outdoor, which is what Armstrong is known for anyway, so can't blame them. Okay guys, stop number 2, Sunset Boulevard Nursery. They have to have soil here, but it's dangerous because they also have some good plants. And let's cross the street safely. Jaywalking. Hope we don't have Jordans on. Finally here now. Again, we're just here for soil only. So we're gonna check this out, see what they got, and catch back up with y'all.
Today, a little stiff, but not bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I figured one.
That's orchid bark. That's for like the rare gems. On the balcony, it's these, and they turn into this.
Oh my gosh, it looks like a bulb. Wow, that's crazy. That thing's probably huge. You know?
Because they all like look
I've
like
seen
that.
it. I've seen it.
Like that. There's hella of these.
I actually looked at it on Friday when we were outside, and I was like, "What the heck is that?" Oh my god, yeah, here.
Oh wow. Damn, that's gonna be crazy.
Look at the inside of it. It looks crazy.
Oh wow. guys. So we ended up with Old Faithful over here, Miracle Grow.
For us.
For us.
A lot of people are very controversial with that, right?
Yeah, a lot of people don't like Miracle Grow, but hey, it's hot. We like Miracle Grow. So, I'm not tripping. I thoroughly enjoy Miracle. Okay, thanks. I thoroughly enjoy Miracle Grow. We never had any issues with Miracle Grow. The other one, it was EB Stone potting soil. But we did some research, and potting soil is for like seedlings and shit like that. But potting mix is for houseplants.
We can be wrong. Correct us if we're wrong.
Yeah, correct us if we're wrong, but
that's
the research we gathered is potting soil is for seedlings.
Like, it just says like it contains like live things.
So basically it contains like, you know,
Worms.
Yeah, worms and shit. So I'm assuming that's for more like outdoor, like container type plants. But for the potting mix, it's for houseplants and, you know, shit that's already established.